So you're a migrant in the UK, working and living on British soil? As you've noticed, life here can be good due to high wages and great opportunities in multicultural cities. But you've also noticed that things may change with time. We're talking about Brexit and securing your rights not only to social security, but your rights to live and work in the UK. Obtaining British citizenship will mean you feel 100% secure. But to obtain that, you will have to take a few steps to prove you have lived and worked legally in the UK for 6 years. Although we cannot be 100% sure of future changes, the safest way to make sure that your stay is secured is to first obtain qualified person status and register with the Home Office. This will give you and your future employers confidence about your documentation and evidence of work. Second is to register your permanent residence after 5 years. Third is to apply for British citizenship and take the English language and knowledge of life in the UK tests. Then, not only will you have the same rights as other British citizens, but you will also be able to pass this on to your children. Let us make this clear. Applying for qualified person, permanent residence, or British citizenship isn't easy. You have a lot of bureaucratic procedures to overcome with the Home Office and a lot of money to lose. In the case of citizenship, up to £1,282. Almost one-third of applications for permanent residence are refused due to common documentation mistakes. And some of these rejections may result in fraud accusations due to errors. These kinds of errors have their root in both overconfidence in your skills and handling documentation, or consulting with unregulated immigration advice, which, by the way, is against the law. Apply now for authorized immigration consultation and don't take unnecessary risks in your British stay. This will provide peace of mind in these changing times. Don't wait. Get an appointment by calling NICE4ALL's Regulated Immigration Advice Team based in Hull. You can also send an email to anna.g@nice4all.co.uk or visit our website